saga between Edo and Esan. I beg go. You want Bobo? I know they inside. I don't say nobody send me. And any presenters where they among us say that one na Esan. I want follow and fight. If I ball law egbe, if I ball law egbe, spare me QD. If I ball law egbe, please. If anybody want to do saga, leave Esan. Madam Bichi Shokpaika, if you want to follow any Benin people to do any saga, just face the person that you want to follow to do saga. Please leave Benin and part. Leave that language Benin. Don't you see it? Anybody on social media I don't know that I want to mention. If you want to follow anybody to make any saga or tell me you are free, make it. If you want to go where you want to go and knock and follow it to do quarrel. Those days for Nigeria, I remember how they when I sabi do quarrel. Oh, ya go so I remember those days when me at this no the way I said they do quarrel that time. Hey, if you follow me quarrel that time, hey Jamie man one day, I go wait for you for Mero. If you cross that place, ask me Egbina. That's what they do quarrel that time. Nobody will not sabi do quarrel. If you want follow person do quarrel, no thing I do. I think come water from my house. I go pour for your body for inside your house. And I am me who no guezo. That's what they do quarrel. Go. So people go they do the saga with etin afunya. Iyan yi netin. E so wa we saga. O wa avano. Egbe ya wa ga nyo. Amega che kwa bu he. Egbe ga nyo. Ofo ga nyo egbe. Era ya guezo. Era agwezo. That time we may one day we may say day. Ma gbina. Hey, our vioto. You go blood that person. Now something they fight. Something they fight. Now something they fight. Iya gba we bo there. Why gume gwon iya gba we be dugbo. Our gbina. That's what they fight time. Gbina. If you make me vex too much, yeah, mommy ya twekwe. Ere ya gwezo. I want a girl here. Those days that one they small for house. That's what they do quarrel. Now so what they find me I grow for upper. That's what they quarrel. You go stand your girl. Even though some maybe go fit with you, don't go mad. You go stand. Go out table maybe not there. I swear gbina. Even that they go even leave you, may you fight. You go fight. Nobody go even hold you. Buy me and so here. People not go even leave you. They not go even hold you. They go leave you, may you fight. So if you not do na saga, I beg my beautiful and what ladies then for you for Facebook. All the beautiful and the what ladies. If you want to do saga, my sisters, you are free to do saga. Saga will saga you. Quarrel will quarrel you. If you don't quarrel, finish, you enter your house. You eat. You sleep. Mona they leave Bini for his side. Mona they leave Eshan for his side. Because me never hear the news. See they come to for news say Bini and Eshan, they are not the same. Or say Bini people now, they want pursue they come up for this thing. Me never hear them. Since me never hear, it never happen for Benin land. Say, Mona tell me what it can be our own business. What we can do Eddie for? When the one will be say you want to call Uromi people, may they come out. What it can be the problem now? When we say you will be Uromi woman, you go come call Uromi. You want to call Uromi, may they come fight for you. Or you will be Bini. Or maybe you will be Bini. You want to call say, maybe the rest of the Bini people can't help you, can't fight. No. If any two presenters get problem, wagbina. Make una fight. Make una insult each other. If any Bini and Eshan, if you come across any video where they say Eshan woman do it cost you, sister, if you feel come on, ready back, come on, come insult her back. But I beg my sister Biko, remove where you for come, remove her, follow and quarrel. Leave am. If you want quarrel with any Edo, you feel follow and quarrel because I if carry saga meet you. Remove you if you come. If you want follow me quarrel, you are free. If you see my video say I talk to you, you are free if you want to insult me. But please, remove you if you come. And if you insult me, let her be as I tell you insult you so. I talk, I enter my house. Anybody wey be say he can't get away, we say one carry and come out. Baby now darkness now go visit your house. Because if me don't talk my own, I enter house. I don't get where I want where they carry the body they go. Mana im ye where azen wa yari hina. No ma zen no tin hu e popo o wa zen hu wa hi prade azen me azen I won ma no tin me I won boni hi atie gbera salo papa I atogo vene ilawa eni o ma no gi we everyday Africa itana first day tage osoni yen eri yan agwo to teme eri yan won na uhun wo aya mu e baby o ki alawo wa. Darkness will be your portion in anywhere you go. Because the truth is good. Truth is bitter, but it must be said. Please, all these papa wish them. Please, muna wagbazun wa yegbe. I mean papa wish. Please. We get to saga already for Facebook. We say never finish. No, can't say you say stand on. Can't say bring Bini matter come again. Bini and shall come again. Please though, papa's wish them. Please, we don't have papa in Europe. There is no place that you will practice your wish. So stay clear. We don't have papa here that you want to fly on. Please. So Edo and Isha, we are one. Please. Edo and Isha, we are one, whether you like it or not. We are one. Meme ke ni malegbe marry ato ekero.